Today, AVZ traders, I trust you are well. Welcome to broadcast number 78. Now, I thought I would just recap on how to use the AVZ coaching video library. With this video today that I'm posting, we now have 78 coaching videos, which are, I think, really rich resources for us to use. And depending how long you've been with me as your coach on the AVZ of Trading, you probably know how to work your way around this quite easily. But if you have just come aboard the coaching and haven't quite grasped how to use the library, this short video should be able to assist you. Now, I've used hashtags just to make it easier for us to track the videos. And all you got to do is just jump, into the group, AVZ video library. And if you want a recap of the strategies, just hashtag AVZ strategies. You'll find some videos there. We've spoken a lot about risk, and I make reference to some of the videos that, where you put your stop is dependent on your own peace of mind, risk, and your appetite, etc. You can pop in and have a look at AVZ risk, hashtag AVZ risk, and see, some thoughts that I've shared with you before. Virtually every one of the videos has something about measured moves, whether we're taking profits or we're setting our stops. But if you want to watch some of the videos that I think probably focused a lot or focused more on just measured moves, just do a hashtag search AVZ measured moves. Psychology, hashtag AVZ psychology. I've spoken a lot during the course and through the videos and also in this presentation, just how critical it is for each one of us to be comfortable to trade in our own peace of mind zone, if you like. That's really the sum total of trading psychology. You got to trade in the space where you are at peace of mind, which of course means that technically you need to be very sound with your strategies, and then you have to have a very solid insight into how you respond to the markets as a person. So AVZ psychology helps you with that. There's times where I've thought, let me go a little bit, back to the basics or provide education. And I've just taken some of the videos as AVZ education, AVZ basics. Pretty good for you just to nip through and have a look. Of course, you have your course materials, which should be readily available to you just to flip through. You have the strategy matrix, which I highly recommend, and I recommend that you keep visible in front of you. And if you want to dig into anything that is specific for the strategy, just go and have a look. AVZ strategy 2, you have tons of videos. I mean, out of 78, I think there should be at least probably 20, if not more, on each one of these. And they're short. I mean, what I've just shown you here this is from AVZ of Trading number 18. So that's way back. I mean, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 12, 13, 10, 14. So they're pretty short. I mean, out, out of these 16 videos, when I got carried away, it was 14, and that, not 14 minutes. That was probably more educational as well. 12 was pretty long, but some are short. So it doesn't take you long to get to it. Now, one of the reasons that I want to share with, or that I'm sharing this, is ultimately we want to become craftsmen, right? In the AVZ of trading. Now you have three strategies. Strategy number one at the open of indexes, strategy number one at any time, strategy number two. You can choose to become a craftsman, a master of all of them, which is fine. You just invest the time. Or you can say, actually, I know one of the traders, they're making money. Just trade in one of them. They are more comfortable with strategy number two. And they just wait for that. If it doesn't appear, there is nothing they're doing. If it appears, they are trading. Okay? So you can choose to master all of them or just one of them. Just depends on your own appetite, right? AVZ ranges when not to trade. I mean, sometimes the markets are, in this mode. Remember, there's a rhythm to the market. Sometimes they're just in this mode where we don't have our setups. They are in a range, and we don't want to trade in that. We don't want to box the market and force it to work. So you got to be able to recognize, oh, hang on a second. If this happens, if I see this kind of structure or this kind of candle, I am possibly in a range. I need to wait for a measured move to get out of that and not get caught up just trying to fight the market. Okay, so you can have a look at craftsmanship and ranges, and of course, mastery of each of the strategies. You will get to master all of them. And the way I've structured the coaching videos, they make it rather quite easy for us to work with. Okay, so just scroll through the video library there in that format. I really made an effort to make sure that they're in number sequence, so you'll find all of this. I've just skipped. I went 18 to 26 and then took 69 to 77, just to show you the diversity of the coaching videos we have. Strategy number 10, strategy number 2, strategy number 1 and 10, strategy number 1 and 12, red news, setting profit targets, currencies, gold, indexes. It is all there. So I recommend just choose something that you want to work with, right? Go watch 1 or 2 videos because they're not long. It's probably easier for you to say, I'll watch 1 video a day, okay, during the week. Maybe don't do anything over the weekends. Or maybe you want to watch 2, 3 videos over a weekend. Not spending more than 30 minutes in this. But your confidence will increase, your ability to recognize the patterns that evolve into setups for us will increase. That's the beauty of the coaching videos. I'm showing you in one location as many patterns as possible, which saves you having to flip through days and months of your charts trying to identify these patterns. They're all gathered here quite easily for you. All right, guys, I hope you find this useful just to help you work through the coaching video library. Of course, alternatively, you can just start from the top, 78, work all your way back, or you can start from the bottom, which is bottom 1, or work all the way up. It's really up to you. But get into it, get involved in it, and just make it work for you. All right, guys, I shall catch up with you again. This is Dr. George. This is coaching video number 78. Take care and bye-bye.